There's a moment many of us know too well. You wake up feeling exhausted despite a full night's sleep. Your hormones feel like they're on a roller coaster. As women, we juggle so much: home, work, relationships, children, our emotions, and everything in between. In Ayurveda, India's 5,000-year-old healing science, there lies a treasure trove of herbs that have supported women for centuries. Let's dive into the 7 Ayurvedic herbs every woman must know, so you can start nourishing your body, calming your mind, and uplifting your spirit naturally. In our modern world, stress has become a constant companion, but Ayurveda offers a powerful antidote, Ashwagandha. This ancient herb is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress, whether it's emotional, hormonal, or environmental. Ashwagandha reduces anxiety and lowers cortisol levels, the infamous stress hormone. It also supports thyroid health, balances mood, and improves sleep quality. To experience the transformative power of ashwagandha, start with 250 to 500 milligrams daily in capsule or powder form. For enhanced mood support, try pairing ashwagandha with a few strands of saffron, a combination revered in Ayurveda for its uplifting properties. Shatavari, meaning she who possesses 100 husbands, is a revered herb in Ayurveda for its profound ability to support the feminine cycle of life. This gentle yet powerful herb nourishes and balances the entire reproductive system, from menstruation to menopause. Shatavari balances estrogen levels, making it beneficial for managing menstrual discomforts and easing menopause symptoms. To experience the nurturing embrace of Shatavari, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of the powder daily, preferably mixed with warm almond milk. Capsules are also available for convenient consumption with meals. In Ayurveda, a healthy gut is the foundation of overall well-being. Triphala, meaning 3 fruits, is a revered Ayurvedic formula consisting of amalaki, bibitaki, and haritaki. This synergistic blend works harmoniously to cleanse and detoxify the digestive tract, promoting optimal digestion and elimination. Regular use of Triphala supports digestion, relieves constipation, and promotes a natural glow. By promoting a balanced gut microbiome, Triphala helps to boost immunity and protect us from infections. To experience the transformative benefits of Triphala, drink half a teaspoon of Triphala powder mixed with warm water before bed. Alternatively, you can take 1 capsule after your evening meal. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly bombarded with information and demands on our attention. Ayurveda offers a sanctuary for the overstimulated mind in the form of Brahmi, an herb revered for its calming and clarifying properties. Brahmi, also known as Bacopa Munieri, enhances cognitive function and promotes mental clarity. Regular use of Brahmi improves memory and concentration, reduces anxiety, and promotes restful sleep. To experience the calming benefits of Brahmi, enjoy it as a tea, take it in capsule form, or incorporate Brahmi ghee into your diet. Brahmi oil is also deeply nourishing for the scalp and hair, promoting thick, healthy hair growth. This is especially helpful for those who struggle with insomnia or find it difficult to switch off at night. Guduchi, also known as Giloy, is a revered herb in Ayurveda for its remarkable ability to strengthen the body's natural defenses and promote immunity. Guduchi is a powerful adaptogen, helping the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. It supports a healthy immune response, reduces inflammation, and supports liver and respiratory health. To experience the protective benefits of Guduchi, consume 1 teaspoon of Guduchi juice daily, or opt for 300 to 500 milligram capsules. It's best taken in the morning on an empty stomach for optimal absorption. Turmeric, the golden spice, is much more than just a flavor enhancer. In Ayurveda, turmeric has been revered for centuries as a potent healing spice. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties are particularly beneficial for women, easing menstrual cramps and joint stiffness. It also improves skin health, supports brain, heart, and liver function, and helps manage PCOS symptoms. To experience the golden benefits of turmeric, enjoy a warm cup of golden milk before bed. Simply mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper in warm plant-based milk for a soothing bedtime ritual. Lodhra is renowned for its ability to support uterine health and address a range of female reproductive concerns. It manages heavy or irregular periods, tones uterine muscles, and reduces inflammation in the reproductive system. Lodhra is also used to support women during the postpartum period, aiding in recovery after childbirth or miscarriage. Due to its potent properties, Lodhra powder is typically used under the guidance of a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner. Dear viewers, if you've been feeling like you're running on empty, out of sync with your body, or just tired of feeling not quite right, you're not alone. Ayurveda teaches us that healing doesn't come from fighting our body. It comes from loving it back into balance. These herbs are not quick fixes, but sacred allies that work with your body's natural intelligence. Start simple, go slow, listen to your body. Choose 1 or 2 herbs to start with based on your most pressing concern, like ashwagandha for stress or shatavari for hormonal balance. Incorporate them into your routine consistently. Ayurveda works gently but deeply over time. Pair herbs with lifestyle changes like regular sleep, mindful eating, and gentle movement. Stay hydrated and avoid overly processed foods to help herbs work better. Remember, always check with a healthcare provider if you're on medications, pregnant, or managing a health condition. You deserve to feel vibrant, grounded, and whole. Begin today.